This channel is dedicated to the growth and development of the leaders of tomorrow, our teens. On this channel, we focus on all things related to providing education, support and inspiration for preteens, teens, and parents. Including in this are Coach T's 2-minute tips. Developing Tomorrow's Leaders podcast with interviews with experts providing their knowledge, advice and experiences for teens, parents, and educators. Teen Speak podcast with Coach T and Coach Keith Sensor. This podcast interviews teens to learn about their challenges and victories and how they deal with this ever-changing world. And Coach T's Shorts that gives important and useful short messages to educate, support and inspire the next generation of leaders. Be sure to like, subscribe and get notifications to not miss any of the great content that will be shared.